message is transmitted at the request of the Utah Department of Public Safety. There has been reports of a man barking a random resident across Salt Lake City. This man also does backflips and can run very fast. His barking hurts your ears and will make you have an ear infection which will kill you. This man is identified as real name Darren Watkins Jr., known socially as YouTube streamer and star Mock-Ishowspeed. He is extremely dangerous. Just recently, Mock-Ishowspeed fan gave Mock-Ishowspeed a message in which he hates Messi. Now Mock-Ishowspeed is going across the street killing people. Residents are advised to go in their homes at the time. Stay tuned to the station for more information on the situation.